Yeah, it's doing very well. And I'll tell you, we're primarily North America based. So we really have our finger on the pulse of what's going on in that our trucks and our employees are typically moving product across the economy. In every sector that has to move product, typically Ryders involved. And I can tell you, we're seeing, really healthy economy across all the sectors. It all started, I think, in late 2017, 2018. We saw a lot of freight movement, a lot of confidence from our customers, primarily businesses big and small, and their willingness to sign up to long-term contracts with Ryder as they saw the economy doing well and confident about the future of the economy. So we're a little bit of a canary in the coal mine in the economy, I think, because we do have that type of visibility.
Oh, yes, you are. So a lot of people a lot of people today have been talking about a potential slowdown in the retail marketplace, and I infer from what you're just telling me that you're not seeing any particular slowdown in the economy or in retail, which you would certainly have a direct connection to. But let me ask you a different question, or you can correct me on that. Let me ask you a different question, and that is about your labor costs. I gather there is a shortage across your industry of qualified drivers. I would guess that because of that, that may push the price of the existing drivers a little bit higher. Talk to me a little bit about that, if you wouldn't mind.
Well, Tyler, there is some of that. But again, anything that makes what we do more difficult is really good for Ryder, because we're in the outsourcing business. So companies that would otherwise hire their own drivers and buy their own trucks are more likely to outsource that to Ryder. So we employ over 9,000 commercial truck drivers. We're very good at finding truck drivers and being able to retain them and give them opportunities. So we are seeing, certainly it has gotten harder to find qualified drivers. And certainly there has been some wage increases that we have been a part of obviously providing those as we turn around, and also our customers in that case also have to provide them. So
very quickly,
overall wages increasing a little bit.
Interesting. Yeah. Very quickly, what's the range of salary for one of your drivers? From what to what?
Well, depending on the type of work they're doing, the salaries could be anywhere in the 50s in terms of $50,000 a year, all the way up to six-figure, depending on the type of delivery that they're doing.
Right.
Robert, I'm curious, you mentioned canary in a coal mine. How much of a leading indicator is your business, and how much of the business is really much more real time and so much closer to the time of ordering? And I guess I'm asking this because that retail sales number could have captured what was going on in the stock market when really retailers could have placed those orders way in advance of that.
Right. Well, in our business, what's more of a real-time metric is our rental business. This is the short-term rental of trucks. You think about it, they're businesses that are going out to rent a truck because they have a surge in their demand. And that business has been very strong in it was very strong in 2018. And as we started the year in 2019, it's continued to see high utilization rates. So we haven't really seen a slowdown in terms of the demand for trucks to move freight that's moving. And that freight that's moving is really the economy and an indication of the economy. So we had strong freight environment last year, and we're starting off the year with a pretty strong freight environment again.
What are you all doing with respect to autonomous drive vehicles?
Well, we're partnering with several companies, both on the autonomous side and on the electric truck side. So we have partnered with 3 electric truck companies that are startups, and we are basically their sales and service arm in North America. So we actually signed the largest electric truck deal late last year for 1,000 electric trucks with a big customer. So, we've got our finger on the pulse. I think it's probably going to start with the lighter duty trucks first, and then over time be able to transition to the heavier duty.